One of my favorite vessels for making small, compact arrangements is the drinking glass. Everybody has these. This, I'm going to give you a shameless plug right now. This gorgeous optic swirl glass will be available on an LMD website near you very soon. The same guy who designed these really pretty emerald green trash can vases is designing these for us, a little footed wine glass or water glass. But what's nice about that is that the proportions of a glass like this make for a really nice bedside arrangement, a series of these going down a centerpiece of a table, a coffee table, what have you. So we have some flowers left here. We're gonna make this a little bit more compact. The same rules apply, it's just gonna be a lot simpler because we don't have as much space to fill. So I'm gonna start with the hyacinths here. Now, I'm going to have to cut these hyacinths because if I left them like that, what would happen is this would continue to grow and the whole thing would fall over, and it's very disproportional, and the sheer weight would topple the arrangement. So I'm going to get in there with your kitchen cutters, and I'm going to do a cut like that. I'm going to remove, unfortunately, this little tip, and it's going to be about that long. I can go a little bit lower. Now these will still open up, so all is not lost. Now, I think I could have like 3 different heights here. They smell so good. This lavender against the pink glass is lovely. And I also want to save some of these green shoots because this time of year, especially, like anytime I can get a little green fix, it just makes everything feel a little bit fresher. So I've just put these in a triangular fashion, just like that. I'll save these in case I want to add more. Now let's fill in with the tulips. And these tulips we're going to cut quite short because it really is going to be about their beautiful petals. All right, so I'm going to get in there and just literally have the bottom of the flower hit the top of the vase. And again, I'm going to work my way around the perimeter. I'll leave that leaf on. So I've got 6 flowers, and you can see how nicely this is filled out, and I'll just add a few more in the center. Because even though it's in the center and it's a little bit lower, you want to see the inside of this beautiful tulip. So that can be there. I'll add one more like that. You have to be a little careful because tulip stems can be a little bit brittle. Okay, so there. Now let me add in some of my anemones. Again, I'm cutting them quite short. And this green is nice to add a little bit of flounce. I really want to make sure I'm going to the bottom of the container because this vase does not hold a lot of water and these guys will drink up a lot. So let me add a third one here. And this is a great way. You can make a lot of these arrangements with your flower flash box. And 3 or 5 of these down the table makes for really beautiful Valentine's Day centerpiece for a powder room. It's a great way to get a lot of flowers around the house. And I also just think that these spring bulbs look so good when they're really cheek to cheek like this, cut tight. And you can really enjoy the intricacies of each petal. Okay, I'll add one more. This one will be a little bit taller. And then just a little fluff, let everything kind of fall into place. It will continue to grow. These hyacinths will grow. You know what, I have these too. I want to get these little vermiculum buds in there. I think that they give a little personality, a little texture change, a little movement. Okay, simple as that. So go raid your cupboards, find some pretty glasses, make some small arrangement. These are fun to do with the kids, and put flowers all around the house.